Here's how to change your default Gmail account in 2026. If this video helps you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed in to all Gmail accounts you want to use. Now, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Click Sign out of all accounts. This step is important because Gmail chooses the first account you sign into as the default. After signing out, you'll see the Google Sign-In page. Sign in first with the Gmail account you want to set as your default. This account will now become the main Gmail account. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture again. Select Add another account and sign into your other Gmail accounts. And that's it. The first account you signed into is now your default Gmail account in 2026.